Welcome back to the Gen 1 podcast. This is your boy Kwandina, and I want to touch base with you guys and let you guys know about something that happened on Wednesday at around midnight to Dele Alli. And if you guys don't know who Dele Alli is a famous soccer player who plays for England and also Tottenham. Dele Alli was injured during a robbery at his home in North London. The Tottenham midfielder was held at knife point and punched after burglars broke in during the early hours of Wednesday morning. The 24-year-old was hit in the face during the terrifying incident but has not sustained serious injuries. Dele Alli has been isolating with his brother and their respectful partners. I'm guessing their wives, girlfriends, whatever. Two men broke in the property just after midnight on Wednesday morning and threatened to kill the England international. He sustained a facial injury before the intruders fled. Thank you for all the messages Ali posted on Twitter. Horrible experience, but we are all okay now. I appreciate the support. Alright, now my take on this is, in a time like this, and well, people's actually saying during this pandemic, since people can't provide for their family, they're going to seek other ways. And I am hoping this is not one of those things where, because of the pandemic, people are going to start robbing people on a regular and stuff like that. Now, this is a person who worked very hard for what he has. It's not like Dele Alli is a drug dealer, he's a soccer player. And I think you should respect the fact that, this man worked very hard. He trains very hard to reach at this point in his life at only 24 years old. But I am happy he's okay. Hope everything is good with him and his family. And like I said, thank you guys for showing love to the young man. Reaching out to him, making sure everything is okay. And for the man who robbed him, gotta watch you. Gotta go come for you, you two thief. Yeah? You two thief. You should have left the man things. And however, this is the funny part now. Them take over 200,000 out of jewelry from this man. Now, brother, if me work hard for my things and buy my drip and you just come hold me up a knife point and take it away. No, brother, that sound hard, brother. That sound Brother, me I go fight till death do me and my jewelry apart. I work hard for my things, brother. Go work for what you want, brother. I never tell you if you got on cruff. Never tell you if you don't. Me never tell you if you not go find something though. I want to feel a thief from them little. The man is 24 friggin' years old, brother. The man probably wake up 4 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock in the morning for God training. See me? The man probably feed him family, just like how anybody else would want to. And you know with your big worthless self, probably not get no catches. Go thief the man jewelry. Brother, you're too thief, man. God go seen you. Okay, well, God gonna strike you, yeah? Watch out, strike force coming for you. Anyway, like I said, he's okay, so no worries. But the people that rob him, when if he get boxing on the face, yeah? Yeah. Anyway, I'm not say that because I'm a baller. No. Anyway, next story is that Sean Kingston cars were repossessed. And would it be? I don't think it was repossessed. According to Sean Kingston, he said the cars were seized up. The engine them seized up. Seized up bad. Like how the English Premier League seized up now in the pandemic. Liverpool, sorry, but it doesn't look like you're going to win the championship. But that's how things go. Everything alright. Anyway, Sean Kingston then come on live and said he is in the United States and he haven't been to Jamaica in probably a year and a half, 2 years. And their cars are very seized up. The engines are seized up, according to Sean Kingston. Anyway, that's his problem, his cars. No one should give two heck about it. But you know how people stay, especially Jamaican people. As soon as them hear one bad story, boom, magic. They must stick to that. You see me? But anyway, the man said if you leave out time business, man said not answer nobody and the negativity will not come. The man say me in a good space. So hey, leave the man alone. If the man say me in a good space right now in my life and I'm making music, allow the man alone. The man show him new house when him get. Him show him Lambo truck, in Bentley, in Maybach. You get me? And according to the statistics of the price of that car, the Maybach can buy the house at Jamaica and probably the other cars. So leave the man alone, brother. The man will live him life. If the man carry them, I get repo. That's his problem, not ours. You know what I mean? Now people are gonna say my hype and nothing. Him my this, him my that, and that's just the mentality of people. You get me? If the man is doing good, nobody talk about it. But as soon as something goes wrong, no one talk about it. And it's not a defending thing. It's just that one of leave people business alone. And because no found love people business, make no found end up 6 feet under. Because I don't know if you have vibe business. Alright? But anyway, I hope everybody's good. Thank you for joining Journey One Podcast. Y'all have a wonderful day. Dele Alli, happy you're okay. Happy the family's okay. Sean Kingston, big up yourself. Keep on doing you. Everybody just leave the people in business alone. And stop going and go teach people things. Y'all have a good day. Bye. Bye.